Okay, hey everyone, here's the second part to this video. So the first question, which best represents the graph of the parent function of y equals 3 to the x minus 5? So as we said in the last video, any exponential function has its own parent function. And the parent function starts with the base. So this one has a base of 3. It's going to be y equals 3 to the x. Now, there's different characteristics that we know about the parent function. So the first one is that the parent function has to look like this when it goes up. So that means by eliminating, C and D are out. Now, the next thing that we know is that the parent function has to go through the point 0, 1. So looking between B and A, B goes through 0, 0, and A goes through 0, 1. So that means A is our only correct choice. Another thing that you can do is you could type in y equals 3 to x into your calculator, into your y1, and then hit graph and see which one matches. That's okay too. Okay, next one. Which table best represents the parent or represents the function y equals 2 times 3 to the x? The fastest way to do this test question is to type in your y1, type in 2 times 3 to the x, so type it in just like you see it, and then go ahead and hit second graph. When you do that, the only graph that matches is B. Now, if you wanted to check it without using your calculator, so the point that, or the x value that I will look at is 0. And the reason why I would look at 0 is because you know 3 to x is a parent function. So that means it has to go through the point, it could go through the point 0, 1. But the only thing is that it's times 2. So I'll have 2 times 3 to the 0. We know anything to the 0 power is 1. So we have 2 times 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So that means our order pair is 0, 2. And the only one with 0, 2 is B. But again, the way that I would do it is just plug this part right here into your calculator and see which one matches. Okay, the last question to go over. Which of the following is not a parent exponential function? So again, the first thing that we know is that the parent exponential function has to go this way. So that means we can cancel out these bottom two. Now the next thing that we know is that the parent function has to go through the point 0, 1. So between, let's title these A, B, and C. B goes through 0, 0. So B is out. Now looking at A and C. Both of these go through the point 0, 1. So both of these could be a parent function. The only thing different about these is going to be their B value. So the B value on C is going to be greater than the B value on A. So both A and C, so sorry about that, both A and C could be parent functions, and that is okay. Alrighty. Okay, if y'all have any questions on any of this stuff, because a lot of your test is over this, feel free to ask your teacher or come ask me. But I hope that this helped. Have a great night.